Welcome back to software.ai, and this is the fifth tutorial where we will cover the calculation in Python. We will discuss and do the calculation in this video. So this is the video where you actually start the coding part. So I encourage you that you open your Jupyter notebook with it, and the moment you are done with the watching this video, I strongly recommend that you go on your sheet and do all the exercise that we are doing in this video. And let's start with the video then. So here, basic thing that you need to know, you can also do few things in Jupyter Notebook that we have not covered in the Jupyter Notebook introduction part. So when you press space, escape basically, when you are inside a cell, you press escape, you will get the blue line at the left, and you can see that this we are out of the cell. Now, when you press B, it will create new cells below the cell that you have selected, and if you press A, let me press escape first, and press A, it will create new cells above the cell that you have selected. So this is how you can add an uh, above and below the cells as per your requirement. Second thing, that how to do the calculation. So basically, in Python you can directly use Python as a calculator. By this I mean you can directly do the calculation like this. Like if I just want to add 23 with 20, you can see the result directly and the output, and that's how simple Python is. So if I want to multiply something like this, I can directly multiply and see the output like this. So how I am doing this, when I'm typing it, say I'm adding 3 to 7. Okay, the thing that you need to press here is control and enter, plus enter. Okay, second option is shift and enter. That means it will go to the new cell. So when I press control enter, as you see, I'm inside the same cell even after running the cell. But if I press shift enter like this, you see the cursor goes to the next cell, and you can start coding and tapping in the new cell. This is one good to know thing, and you should try it. Second thing, if you are doing a calculation, you need to know a few things. That there is a concept of PEMDAS too and Python, which we'll cover in the next video. We'll think about how to how Python will decide which to resolve first, which symbol to resolve first. So let me tell you about the symbol. This is for addition. This is for subtraction. This is for multiplication. Star is used for multiplication. Double star is used for explanation. Exponential means x to the power 2, x to the power 3 kind of thing. We can have division like this. Okay, we can have flat division like this. A flat division means we don't have the decimal value when we get the output. And apart from this, we can have boolean module with percentage. Let me type it. So when you want just the divisor and remainder kind of values, you can use this. And this gives you a very clean idea. Let me show you the example too. So if you are dividing say with 2, you will get is 0, because there is nothing left at the remainder part. And this is also a way we can find if the number is even or not. It is also a very powerful method too. So we will also do some coding on this, and we will work with this too. So this is how you use a symbol. So I encourage you do go on your sheet, multiply, divide, use exponential. Exponential is a very good thing too. So what you can do, you simply write 4, and you use exponential twice, that is multiplication symbol twice, and put the value that you want to put and the power. So right now I have written it is similar to 4 to the power. Let me write it is similar to 4 to the power 2. Okay, it is similar to the 4 to the power 2. Okay, when you run this, you get the result like this. So I hope you get the idea how to do the calculation in Python. uh, Strongly recommend that you go on your sheet, open the sheet, and do this exercise. It might look simple, but it will give you a hand on how to create a new cell, how to add, multiply, and do the division. See all the results, all the output of all the symbol that we are having. See what you're getting at flat. As if you divide flat with something, say I'm dividing 7 divided by flat division by 2, you can see that I'm getting the output 3. If I divide directly 7 by 3, you know the output is 2.3333. Okay, so this is called flat division. Sorry, let me also change the value here. I So it's 3.5, and this is called flat division. You're not getting the decimal value, the value that is behind the decimal. You don't get it when you do the flat division. So please go ahead and try all the symbols, and In the next video, we will do the work with the PEMDAS, which will tell us that which symbol will execute first if we have a equation. We will cover that topic in the next video. Thank you for this video.